Bright young man here, very talented player.
1992 was my rookie year. I won Rookie of the Year that year on the PBA Tour. I'm the only person in the history of the PBA to win the Tournament of Champions 3 years in a row.
Jason Couch, welcome to the Hall of Fame.
It's my entire life, honestly. I get to do what I want for a living, and I get to see parts of the world on somebody else's dime. It's a pretty good gig. It's a tough schedule. It's repetition. You do the same motions over and over and over. Your body's going to break down. I couldn't literally walk. I mean, it hurt just to walk.
Jason had a very usual story when it comes to arthritis. So he developed pain on the inside of his knee that essentially started to affect him on a daily basis. He was a professional bowler, and so a lot of that repetitive loading caused a lot of force to wear out the cartilage in his knee.
A partial knee replacement 5 years ago got me back to where I needed to be, and then I got another consult when I said, I'm having some pain in my left knee now. And as soon as they did the imaging, same exact thing as your right knee. Let's just get it done, let's get it out of the way.
All right, femur check point.
So Jason had a partial knee replacement where you just replace one side of the knee. For partial knee replacements, the main benefit is using the robot. When you do a partial knee replacement, it's the most natural feeling replacement as opposed to a total knee replacement. It keeps your normal ligaments, so the recovery is much quicker and it's much more functional from an early stage in your recovery.
You got a good quad contraction.
Jason's surgery was as smooth as can be. He had excellent range of motion and a stable knee throughout the entire range of motion. So we're very pleased with the outcome of his surgery.
Heel first, yeah.
You have the surgery and they get you up and they walk you after the surgery, after you come out of the recovery room. I mean, it's that quick.
That way your good leg does the work going both ways.
Okay.
If physical therapy, you better do it. You want to get back to where you're competing and being competitive, you better do your physical therapy. He told me I would be bowling in 16 weeks, and this is week 11, and I already started bowling.
Well, I can't promise that his bowling game will be any better. He can get back to bowling no matter what.
I'll be looking forward to starting the Senior Masters in June in Vegas. I always set goals at the beginning of the season, make the first cut, then make it to match play, and then obviously you want to win. I told those guys, you better hope I don't come back pain-free, because you're going to take a beating.